This morning you seen me doing art in the park at Harriet Tubman Grove by Johns Hopkins University. Today I'm going to give you a learning lesson, history lesson, Baltimore's history, Baltimore Legacy Project. This is a history lesson. That's Senator Ben Cardin. See the date? 2007. 1190 Falls Road. That's Senator Ben Cardin. I was making a documentary, and since 2007, Senator Ben Cardin refuses to talk to me. You got money for Israel, you got money for war, but no money for the poor. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property theft, plus a class action lawsuit because you did it to a class of people. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That's the documentary right there. It's the golden apple. It's the golden time of day. All right? Y'all like everything that Trump do? Like he got the golden touch? Well, he touched this one too. It's called Let Us Design. It's a movie, a documentary. There ain't no law against making a movie. Covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. Ask President Trump. He know about the Constitution. So does Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. This is the United States Supreme Court, April 2007, 11950 Falls Road. That's State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. That's about the war on drugs, N62528. I won that case. It's a precedent-setting case. So I wanted to go to the Supreme Court to end the war on drugs. But in between time and meantime, y'all locked me up. You locked me up in Illinois, and you locked me up in Maryland. It's a Jailhouse Diary, 2007, all right? I went home on vacation. I came back on probation. That's Chuck Grassley, because he got this too. That's President Obama. It's notarized. That's me, my store on Falls Road. Shorty's Barbecue. You feel me? I was also a registered to run for office. I go to jail, I got to share that toilet with an inmate. 2024, we're going to share this toilet with the world. Everything Donald Trump got his first time around, we got to do it again. Because we talking about a trial. I want a jury of 12. This is Mark right here. That's parole and probation. All right. That's parole and probation. Ugh. And this is a page out the diary. Page 201. Talks about Dred Scott. I read Dred Scott in the court record. Because blacks have no rights in which white America respects. Well, that's a Supreme Court, so we're going to finish this where we started at, in a court of law. That's me, P.O. Box 38. That's Patrick Fitzgerald from the Department of Justice. So the Department of Justice has this. Illinois Department of Justice, the Maryland Department of Justice, the United States Department of Justice. And these are the inmates. I organized while I was in jail. All right? Yeah. Like I said, that's the Jailhouse Diary. And these are the inmates. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. All right? From Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. And M&T Bank financed this. M&T Bank financed this. And these are the supporters of Shorties. These are the supporters of Shorties. I want a jury of 12 in 2025. Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't going to end without white participation. These are the supporters of Shorties. That's the IRS. I'm out $250 million in intellectual property theft. I ain't filed taxes since then. I got $500 put in escrow so that y'all can pay me my money. Shorty. All right? That's who I am. And like I said, these are the supporters of the Shorties. I use my grill in Baltimore. I'm the cook in Baltimore. So I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Shorty, champion for justice. So let's play the tapes. That's Judge Richardson. Everything that Judge Richardson got, y'all got to play for the public. Like I said, I want the grand jury. Brack versus Wells. That's a private citizen's right to access the grand jury. President Trump, you don't have to do something for me because you're in the same shit I'm in. I'm a Republican. I'm a black Republican. So you're going to deal with racism in the Republican Party. That's President Biden. And that's the Department of Justice. See the date? Like I said, Shorty a champion for justice. That's Commissioner Harris. Black lives don't matter. Black money do. So it's the golden time of day. Who gets the apple? You feel me? We're going to open up the apple and we're going to fill the apple up. But President Trump goes from your past, President Trump present, President Trump past, and what you going to do with the future. Because mine looks good. Mine looks real good. Ain't no law against making a movie. Mass incarceration in your prison industry. Michelle Alexander wrote the book, The New Face of Old Jim Crow. Well, you can't stop me from making my movie neither. Ivan Bates did I Got a Monster. Well, I got a monster too. I'm defeating the beast.